Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther and you're welcome to my kitchen. So today we're going to be talking about Maggi. This is the winter period if you're, in the um United States, and other places that has winter this period. And for those, in other countries, it's just Hamatan. Yeah. So today I'm going to tell you how to just navigate this Maggi life. When you try to, break your Maggi to put it in your food is so hard. Like you can imagine my small hand trying to crush this Maggi. I'm going to show you an easy way, and trust me, you're not going to overdose on it. So if you like to see what is going to happen, keep watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Thank you so much. So first you start by removing the Maggi from the wrap, and after that you pour it into a container, just a container that you're comfortable with. You put it inside your blender. This could be, the dry blending part of the blender, or the normal blender can do this. Yeah, so you just blend and blend away, and you just crush it. Make sure it doesn't have lumps, of course, so that you don't want to overdose on it, or you don't want to just put more than what you want to put. So grind it properly for it to get the real powder from. And guys, I don't even kid you when I say, when I finished grinding this thing, I was like, somebody really needs to be very careful with this Maggi. I could literally see salt. Yeah, I could see like salt in it. So after grinding it, this is how I'm going to teach you how not to overdose on it. So you don't need to do it again. I have already done it for you. So I have one Maggi, and I have my 5 ml, 1 teaspoon, 5 ml or 1 teaspoon, and I go ahead and measure it out, just to make sure that it is exactly one cube of Maggi. So as you can see, this is exactly 1 cube. So 5 ml or 1 teaspoon is equivalent or equal to 1 cube of Maggi, and this is for the no Maggi. I don't know for the star or the Royco. So you can check that one out. So this is exactly it. And I go ahead and pour it into my container, and I'm pouring it into this container just because it has a funnel mouth, so that it could help me to pour it into the container is going to the container I'm going to put it in, and then seal it. So I'm just making sure everything is grinded properly. And after I've done that, as you can see, I didn't do that perfectly, but that's fine. I put it into my container. This was a container I bought. I used it for time. Time was originally in it, but the time is over, and I have a lot of this container. So I just go ahead and take it off, put my Maggi in it. And if you follow me on this channel, you know I love to label my things. Yeah. And I bought this label. I bought it from just see, as you can see, I'm just trying to, okay. And yeah, I put my spoon into it. I put my 5 ml spoon in it, and then I go ahead and label it. At first, I labeled just on the container, but I wasn't happy. I wasn't so satisfied, so I had to get my label. So as I was saying before, I bought this label from Amazon. I don't know if I can search for the link or something, but if you want it, it's very cheap. I think I bought it for $3 to $5, and it's 500 pieces in it. Guys, I've been using this thing, and you can even chop it into pieces. Sometimes I can just use the scissors and cut it, just into small parts depending on what I want to label. And yeah, this is my Maggi. This is the original. No, and there you have it, guys. Grinded Maggi with your 5 ml teaspoon in it. And whenever you want to cook, you just take 1 teaspoon equal to 1 Maggi. It's marching. My red teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, and my red cover. Good, good, good. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, stay safe, stay in God. I love you. Bye.